Bautista Aileen Lubrica. City of San Fernando, Norte.
From the Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. I certify that these 972 candidates for graduation have satisfactorily complied and completed all the requirements leading to their respective degrees. Hence, I strongly recommend for the conferment of their graduation, sir.
Upon certification and recommendation by your Chancellor, Dr. Alvin R. Maligden, that you have fully complied with all the requirements prescribed in your curriculum. On April 22, 2026, the University Academic Council endorsed to the Honorable Board of Regents your graduation. On April 30, 2026, through a referendum pursuant to Board Resolution number 2026, the 041, the Division Board of Regents unanimously approves your graduation and the granting of Latin honors to qualified graduates. Now the board, by authority of Chairperson Dr. Shirley C. Agrupis, our Board of Regents Chairperson, and the members of the Honorable Board, in my capacity as Vice Chairperson of the Board and President of this beloved Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, I hereby confer unto you your respective degrees and declare you graduates with all rights and privileges thereto appertaining.